stop walking on a keyboard. I think it's working and recording. Your little kitty butthole is in the video. Please tell me you heard that part. I was like, I gotta get this out before I go down there. What's that? Man, I want to be able to put Facebook on the laptop. You see how small this window is? Like, it's like my feet are not in it and my head's barely in it. So I want to back it up like 3 feet. But the computer's not reliable enough for the Facebook. Don't worry, we're not listening to this.
I like these sauce. They're not higher energy. Sweet.
I left those on for an entire day.
Yeah. Okay, battery.
It's just 3 AAA. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. I do too. Bum, 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 bum. That's the saddest yawn on camera.
I know. I'm tired. Yeah. Why does that twice? It usually does not do that. I don't know what.
In the air. Station will work. Baby, don't burn me. Don't burn me. What? Who came here for the burn? Baby, don't burn me. Oh, here's an idea. Damn, I think that works. Look at that. You don't see burn, but you can actually see my head.
All of you.
This is okay. This is okay. Damn right, Paula. You ready to get good? Getting to America style, it's all about moon. Oh, yeah.
I like the DJ. Oh, yeah.
I started over though. Let's do a playlist. We gotta hear all the songs. Let's do it. Yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on, swing it. You feel the good vibrations?
For an hour.
What's that?
Let's just dance for an hour.
It's Randy and Levi in the morning. Woo-hoo! We're gonna dance for an hour. Feel the good vibrations. Yeah, Paula. Air fives. Damn. Today's about guns. This is America Styles. Guns, guns, and guns. You guys. What do we need? Chair. Some dumbbells. All right, buys, tries, shoulders. Woo-hoo! Come on, come on. All right, for our warm-up, we're gonna do 2 moves, 3 times, 30 seconds apiece, followed by 1 minute of shenanigans. All right, we're gonna do some clapping jacks. Come on, like this. Out, out, go. Feel the vibrations. Go. 30 seconds. Sensations. Modify to a step. If you're not into the old jump or ruin, I want to wake up our posture. Squeeze our back. Chest grab. Baby, don't burn me. Don't burn me. No more. Guys, Roxbury. Oh, yeah. Our next move. Walk out, plank up. 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Elbows, hands, walk it back and repeat. Modify to your knees. Walk it out, down, up, walk it back. Alternate arms. Don't just do the right arm every time. Do the left, then the right. Baby, don't burn me. Shut up, you're here for the burn. No more. Whoa, 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 whoa. 3, 2, 1, clap on. I want our feet to go the other way now. Watch. Out, together, back together, back together. Yeah. We're not clapping very loud. Her pony's winning, but my ball's bouncing higher. Just say. Woo! 3, 2, 1, walk it out, plank up. It burns with you, and I don't know. Just keep on breathing. Don't give up. We're getting above. Baby, don't burn me. Don't burn me. No more. Whoa, 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 whoa. 3, 2, 1, last round. Do all of those with your feet. Regular, back, left, back, right. Regular, back, left, back, right. Regular. Oh, this song right here. This song is what started Devin Klein off. This is what made him hashtag bleed blue for the first time. He works out in a blue gym with blue people. Walk it out. 3, 2, 1, last one. Down, up. Don't shake your butt. Don't shake your butt. Yeah, this is the Bleed Blue song, Randy. This is the Bleed Blue song. This would inspire Devin. Let it inspire you. Listen up. Here's a story about a man named Devin who worked out in a blue gym all day and all night, and all his friends were strong with him. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1, pop her up. Boxer stance. You're going to do 5 crab toe touches, 7 alternating switch presses. So we go down here. 1, 2. If you just want to kick, that's fine. 1, 2, 7. 5 crabs, 7 switch press, 1 minute back and forth. Go. Your blue Dabadia. Boom, boom. 3, 4, 5. Pop up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 grabs, 7 switch press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 30 seconds, folks. Let the guns out. I'm here for the gun show. We're matching. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Yeah. I burn with you in my night, in my day. I'm sweating with you. 10 seconds. Own it. Come on, stay crabby, America. With you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 1, stop. Drop and roll. Woo, give me a woo. Our boxer stance. Now, you have a chair, you have all the weights in the world. Let's do this. So, we have 3 tripods. Each tripod, we're gonna do 4 rounds. 45 seconds apiece. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. So I wanna go as heavy as we can because they're short sets. Thinking about time under tension. We're trying to flex the muscles that we're using, not just move them. All right, our first tripod, kick your butt. We're gonna take our chair. We're gonna do skull crushers. So we take our said chair, grab on the side of it. Don't stick your caboose out, bring your caboose forward. Feet go up, cross your ankles. Bend your arms, bonk your forehead, go back up. Right, elbows are in tight. You wanna do this harder? Put your feet on the chair and your hands down here and do that same movement. I dare you. All right, exercise 2. We're doing a seated shoulder press. We're gonna do a one arm and other arm. So left, right, boom. Right, left, boom. Then our next move is a bicep curl for 3, followed by a reverse extension. 1, 2, straightening out all the way. On the third one, press, return, and lower. That part really sucks back. Okay, we got this. We're gonna do our skull crushers first, 45 seconds. Then that shoulder press, get you away from your body. Oh, yo, here you go, dog. Bam. This might be fun. Let's have this for something too. Okay. We got some beats, we got some friends. 45 seconds, let's roll. Oh, dang, what's up, Sylvia? Good morning, lady. You rising and grinding with us? SpongeBob, watch over my sweatshirt. I want to be over here instead. I don't want to have my butt in the camera. That's awkward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You know, I'm imagining I'm smashing huge jumps in the forest on my mountain bike. I get airborne. So you go down to your forehead, you pop up a no-hander. No-hander. If you missed it on the way down, you get stitches. Let's try it. Forehead, pop. Pop. Hold those shoulders down. Hold those elbows in. 10, 7, 3, 1. Shoulder press. Left, right, both. Left, right, both. Right, left, both. Left, right, both. Make sure your head's not bobbing for apples. Your head likes to go forward. Oh, you're arching your lower back, you say. Don't do that either. But keep your lower back drawn in. Head back, pelvis tucked. Don't have them forward. Try to stay open. Stacked over the elbow there. 3, 2, 1. Deanna! What's up? All right. Bicep curls with our girls. To the nipple line and stop. If you're going above the nipple line, you went too high. Elbows are tight to the body. We're not coming forward or backwards with the elbow. Extend your arm all the way out. On the third one, press. Goal is to hold your shoulders away from your ears, pushing the chest forward, really keeping that alignment the whole time. Elbows squeeze tight to the buttocks. On 3, get that squatty stance. Rest. Return. Fight the posture. Fight the posture. 3, 2, 1. Skull bunkers. You doing the way I was doing? Yeah. Randy said I should make it harder. I don't know if I can do this. I was just thinking about it. Come on, baby! 5 sets hard. 5! 5 is what people eat! 5! On the holidays. Oh, Randy, this is so hard. 5! I can't have any more fudge. I'm gonna get overweight and feel sick. Keep moving. Woo. 3, 2, 1, shoulder press. No, 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 no. Hey, go prim and proper. Put your feet and knees together. Sit very tall. You're having tea with the queen. Exhale, inhale. Boom, lean into the misery, not leaning back. That pelvis is a cup of tea in its own. If you tilt your pelvis forward, you spill the tea. Oh, if you tilt the pelvis backwards, you spill the tea. Don't spill the tea. Sit tall, own your cup of tea. 3, 2, 1, girls. Pop up. Woo. To the nipple line, straighten the arms. 1, 2. Every day. 2. Keep your shoulders down, your back squeeze. Oh, can't you breathe? It's really hard to breathe at that moment, that weird noise I'm making. That helps me let the air out so I don't hold my breath and get a hernia. It's like that. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1, skull bonkeroos. Jen, Murphy, what is happening? If you're one of those people that can do a whole workout with your hair down, what is wrong with you? You need to work harder. It's impossible to do that. I did my last set really hard, so now I'm just watching you, and I just see that Paula is just like literally in a blackout. She's crushing it. She's crushing it. Yeah, Jen. Yeah, Sylvia. Yeah, Deanna. Don't stick your butt out. Can't you breathe? 3, 2, 1, shoulders. Sit up tall. Left. Right. Go. Right. You notice what I keep doing with my head? It's like I'm bringing my head back. The crown of the head's reaching higher. I notice I start to get tired and I'm like, saggy chest syndrome? Nope. Sit tall. Just keep on swimming, almost there. 3, 2, 1, biceps. Doing some biceps for the guys. We're doing some curls with the girls. 1. Fight the chest. 2. When in doubt, poke it out. 3. Show me your burn. Show me your burn. Oh, that extension sucks so freaking bad. Oh man. 15 seconds. I feel so good. Full range of motion. Don't stop here. Straighten your elbow out. You lazy son of a biscuit. I saw that. I feel like Iron Man when I shoot my arms out there. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Guess what? One more round. Julie Baker, what is up? It feels feels so good. It burns so good. Inhale down, exhale press. Elbows in. Try to move back a hair, put your head just below the chair. I want to see that happen. It's going to burn real good, Clark. Bam. Bam. You see this, Carlos? You like my moves, man? Feel so burned. Oh, 2 more reps. 1 more rep. And done. Bam. Shoulders. Take a seat. Feels so good. Oh, I love this next jam. This takes me back to the swimming pool days in junior high. Oh yeah, or going to the dance, getting your jiggy on. Bam, bam. Sit tall. Call him Mr. Burns. Call those arms insane, insane, insane. 3, 2, 1. Bicep curls. Lisa, Jenna, what's happening, ladies? I want burn. Straighten out all the way. Stop at the nipple line. Push the chest into it. When in doubt, girls out. And when you press, hey, squatty, and hold that stance. Holy crap. One of those wipes me out. That means you're doing it right. What's the point? It's supposed to challenge you. Do epic stuff. It says on my wall right in front of me. Actually, it's spelled S-H-I-T. I think it's pronounced stuff. Do epic stuff, you guys. Let's own this day. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Woo! Check it out. Give me a woo. Woo! It's quarters of the way through. All right, for the next ones. Overhead tricep extension. Probably a single dumbbell. Maybe 2, depending which weights are. You got a choice. I like this one. Palm the sucker, thumbs are wrapped around the shaft, press the hands to the ceiling. Some of us are like, nope, I would rather hold it like this. Oh, my shoulder really doesn't want to do that. But you get it, you're holding it the other way. Exercise 2, a front raise to a bus driver. We're doing a 1 to 5 ratio here. We're doing a front raise. We're going to drive 5 corners. That's 1, 2, keep your eyes on the road. 3, 4, shoulders down, don't text and drive. After 5, lower and lift again. Holding those shoulders back, chest forward. Our third move is the crappiest move of them all. We're doing a preacher curl from a squat. We are going to take our arms. We're going to put the elbows just past the knee. We're going to straighten the arms out in that squatted stance and then curl. One weight if it's too challenging. We're going to be like, it's too hard. Shut up. The exercise goes suck miserably bad for every rep, and that's the point of it. That means you're doing it right. All right, you ready? It feels so good. Overhead tricep extension. I like to inhale the confidence on the down, and I love to exhale the down on the up as best as I can. It doesn't happen with one breath. It happens with repetitive breaths over time of conscious awareness where you're guiding it. You're like, exhale, freaking down, man. Inhale, freaking confidence, man. Do epic stuff, man. Inhale, confidence. Exhale, crap. All that crap. It's on your brain. I can see it. Get it off your face. I know what I want, and I want it now. 8 more seconds. Keep on breathing. Hey, don't spill your tea. Keep your pelvis nice and even. You're like, crap, I was really arching my back. I know. It happens. 3, 2, 1, bus drivers. I want to be like this. Back and down. So really squeezing that stance. Up. 1 corner. 2 corners. Butts back. Shoulders are back. Head's back. After 5, lower. I'm not just standing up like a pencil. I'm squatty and strong in my thighs, in my back, in my buttocks. Up. Taking the right. Taking the left. Taking the right. You're looking at the ground. Eyes on the road. She's still 3 children. Eyes on the road. Don't be like Victor. Don't run over Bambi. Keep your eyes on the road. You can't run over Bambi just before Christmas. Keep your eyes on the road. Care, no texting and driving. Sorry, Victor. It's too early. I get it. 3, 2, 1, run! Into that curl. It sucks. This wide, about shoulder width. Elbows. Feet just past the knees. Look down. Poke your butt out a little bit. Straighten your arm. See how my elbows just past the kneecap? Not on this side, but in front of it. I said, hey, what the heck is going on? And I said, hey, fight the mid back. Keep the posture freaking real strong. Like you're pooping in the woods. Zombies will come. The power is out. You gotta poop. Don't fall backwards into it. You gotta finish this movement, man. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Round 2, tricep. I said, yeah. Woo! I said, exhale up and inhale down. Elbows in back neutral. I said, hey, don't arch your back today. I said, look up, eyes up, elbows in and breathe. And I said, 3, 2, 1, let's drive that butt. Pop it up. Hey, yeah, yeah. Bring it up. Eyes straight out in front of you. Shoulders are drawn back and down. Your butt's back, your knees are squatty and lower. If you start texting and driving, not good. Keep those eyes on the road, shoulders back. I don't care if you have to pee or not. These kids' lives are at stake here. You gotta care. You must care. 8 more seconds of good driving. Oh, I feel the burn today. Why do you keep looking at the ground? I know you're doing it. I know. I see everything. 3, 2, 1, curls with our girls. 5. Yes. Hey, you don't need a miracle. You've got this. Inhale. Look at the floor. Exhale. Be in that good strong stance. Weight in the heels. Kind of bounce the toes. I need a miracle. I need a miracle. Holy thighs from Wednesday. Holy moly. 3, 2, 1. Triceps. Pop it up. Elbows in. Elbows back. Chest proud. Pelvis drawn in. Sit tall. Let's get it, Paula. I think I just swallowed a moth. What? Exhale, press. Inhale, lower. See how I bring my knees and feet together? It keeps me from being dumpy in my pelvis. It makes me sit a little taller and it isolates my arms more so I can't use the rest of my body. I'm not using my lower back, I'm not using my legs. I'm a little fancy in the fancy. That way I'm not pressing to my legs, I'm just isolating my arms. Holy cow, yeah. Yeah, that's the idea. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Next move. Eyes on the road. Shoulders drawn back. I said, no. Get that head back like this. Think long neck. The crown of the head is reaching for the ceiling. You're getting your back squeeze, activating your lats, keeping those shoulders away from the ears. 12 seconds. Oh, God. Come on, Believeland. Come on, Cleveland. Come on, Merca. Guns, guns, guns. Don't give up that ship. Control that movement. 3, 2, 1, barrel. Woo! One more round. No.
Kelly and I used to jam to this song.
I love this song. I can just like picture going to 7th grade dance on my first red goal. I'm like, da-da-da-da! Da-da-da-da! Beautiful, right? You can't tell I had any caffeine today, can you? No. Come on, bring that sandstorm. 3, 2, 1, last round. No. Come on, Orange. Couple of fist pumps. Let's get her. Elbows in, eyes up. This is like one of my favorite jams of all time when I was younger. Like I would go BMXing, I love listening to this song before we go to the jumps. Hit the jumps, man! And I'd be so amped up, I just eat shit. I mean, I eat stuff. Oh man! 2 more reps. 1 more rep. And done. Woo! Drive that bus. Last time. See that hold, that position I've got, like the elbows out, you're just standing like a total badass. Yeah, you're that bus driver. Ain't nobody acting with your kids. Nope. That's bus driver and all the ladies. All the believers. You are Woo! 8 seconds. Eyes up. Shoulders back. 3, 2, 1, girls. Last set. Ow. Ow. Woo-wee. Hey, 8:30 a.m. camp. I'm coming for you. This is just my warm-up. From here, Randy's off to save the world. And I'm gonna come crush it with you at the gym because I got games, baby. Games to make. Let's grow. Let's grow. Crap. 3, 2, 1, done. Ah! Give me a roar. Yeah. Launch. Next moves. Boxer stand. Shake it out. Oh, like noodles. I know. Okay, our next 3 moves. Whew. I've never actually done this move this way before. It was in their protocol. We're going to be kneeling. We're going to take our dumbbells. We're going to go for a kneeling high pull, catch, and press, back, turn, and drop. So it's an up, catch, press, but without bamming and hurting our lower back. Exercise 2 is the old hex presser-oo. We're going to take our heaviest weights we got, 1 or 2 weights, put them together, squeeze them together, elbows in tight, maybe lift up the butt or lift up the legs to add flair. Squeezing them triceps real hard. Our last move is the son of a gun. We're going to high plank, doing some hammer curls. Hammer time. We're going to have our arms, our chest, feet wide. Arms are in front of us. Yes. Cheers, matey. Cheers. Slow, miserable, no butt out. Modifying to the knees if we need, or just stand up and do regular hammer curls. Alrighty, let's do this. Oh yeah. Kneeling. Boom, boom. High pull, snatch, shoulder press. Is that how we call that move? Let's get some beats rolling. 3, 2, 1. Roll. Catch, press. Come up with like a boom, boom. Hey, that's the gas corner. I was hanging out over there for a minute. Down fan. Gotta do your thing. When you're working out with your team members, you gotta care. Woo-wee. Booty back. Catch. Press. Lower. And drop. Catch. Press. Lower. And drop. Sadie, if you're out there, I'm not saying cash. I'm just saying catch. Catch. Boom. 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 3, 2, 1. Roll over. Hex press. Use your heavy weight. up. Weights together, booty up, or legs up. Your choice. Elbows in tight. Squeeze your back to the floor as best as you can. Keep your back strong into the floor. Elbows in, eyes up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press. 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Roll over. High plank. Feet wide. Hips forward. Hammer time. Chest over your hands. Cheers, lady. No hip twisting. It's not a row. It's a curl out in front of you. Like you're curling to your forehead with that dumbbell. She doesn't like her hand on the dumbbell, so she leaves the dumbbell on the floor, hands on the floor, grabs the dumbbell each time. If you'd rather put your hands down there, give that a try. Curl, switch, curl, switch. Oh, 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 oh. 3, 2, 1, round 2. Back to the top. Think of it as a kind of a powerful 2-part movement up and then a slow controlled movement down. So 1, 2, 3, catch. 1, 2, 3, press. Control. Buns are engaged. Thighs are engaged. Abs are engaged. Turn and drop. Control. No rounding forward. Keep that back nice and strong. 10 seconds. Up. Press. Don't use that lower back. Don't strain back into it. 3, 2, 1, roll over, head press. This time, try lifting your legs off the ground. Add a 45 to the earth. Woo! I like this move too right here. Bring the knees in, weights down. Legs out, arms up. Inhale, press. Inhale, press. Legs come in, legs go out. Legs come in, legs go out. 3, 2, 1, hammer time. Hey, you work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. Keep your hands in front of your shoulders. I want to really flex this area. Hold those shoulders down so you're engaging your lat. As you curl, keep that pelvic floor engaged so you're not swaying in the hips. Keep that pelvic stability. Feet are nice and wide. No rotation. It's a good strong exhale. Inhale. When you get tired, stop for a moment. Or go to a kneeling curl if you need. Or stand up. Stand up if you need. 3, 2, 1. Round 3. Round 3. Let's get it. Yeah. Go for it. That's perfect. Just go hit yourself in the face. I can see you and Kelly dancing to this song. Oh, oh. I bet she has stupider moves though. In a good way. If you're alone and you need a friend, just hit replay and get sweaty with us today. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Hex press. Either one. Either your butt up or legs up. I like this. We go out, in, and then a glute raise. Then one leg. And then the other leg, shoulders down. Elbows in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 1, flip over, hammer curls. Chest forward, feet wide, abs tight. Let's have some fun. Like this workout will never be done. Man, oh man. That's Dr. Burns, 10 seconds left. Chest forward, shoulders down, feet wide. 2 more reps. 3, 2, 1. Start over. Let's get it. Do those knees. We like to party. We like to potty. 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 Anybody know the Six Flags commercial with the old man dancing? Yeah, can you picture him? Little old bald man. Yeah, Paula. I got something to tell you. Those arms are looking stronger. Don't use that lower back. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Hey now. 3, 2, 1. Hex press. Woo! 20 seconds. Own it. Elbows in, shoulders down, eyes up. Don't look above the chin, look above the head. Keep your eyes up. 3, 2, 1. Hammer time. The fun bus is coming. Those burn arms are burning. Burn arms are burning. Last set. Last set. Abs tight. Feet wide. This is where we start to get tired, but I want you to focus. I want you to be strong. Dig for more. What matters to you right here? Set the example for everything that matters in your life. Own it. Make it matter for more. Do it for your kids. Do it for your family. Do it for your community. I know you get tired right now, but don't quit right now. We're almost there. 8 seconds. Couple more reps. 3, 2, 1. Done. Woo! Give me a woo. Boxer stance. We're in heaven. So, since we're in heaven, our finisher, our last 2 moves. We're going to do a walkout plus a mantis press up. And then as we walk back, a headstand push up. So it looks like this. We walk out. Once we get there, we lower to our elbows. And then we press back up. Then we walk back, hands wide, headstand push up. And then we walk it back. I know. And then our other move is speed alternating curls. One arm's up, one arm's down, back and forth as fast as we can move those arms. Yeah, it's going to be great. Let's do this for, let's say 20 rounds, maybe 3. Let's do it for 3 rounds. That sounds great. You're like, what? All right, we're at 3, 2, 1, walk it out. You're like, what the heck was that first move? You're there. You just lower to a plank. Go to your knees to make it easier. Press up through the hands and then walk it back. Hands wide, feet wide. Down to the head. Press up. Chest goes back. Come forward. Lower the elbow. Press up. Oh, nice. That's all that, Randy. Get it. Get it, Randy. Rising Brown sister. Let's get it, Paula. Let's get it, Julie. Let's get it, Jenna. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go, Julie. speed curls. Each round's gonna get a little bit shorter because it's a drop set finisher. This first round's the crappiest. Then it gets nicer. Maybe it's all that we need. That is burning it on. We're in heaven. 25 seconds. Pump up. Chest out. Elbows in. Don't go past the nipple line. 12 seconds. Ah, 3, 2, 1. They get shorter. 15 seconds shorter. Let's walk it out, Jen. Let's get it, Lisa. Shine bright. Is it healing? As it burns into my triceps. As I press back into those shoulders. Exhale on the arm. Keep the feet wide for a nice strong base. Elbows are in for that press up. Walk it back. Modify to those knees if you need. Three, 2, 1, curls. Oh yeah! Brush away the stars and let's start moving, you mean machine. Come on. Yeah, move them a little faster. What matters to you right here? What matters in life? What do you care about? Put it into the movement. Put it into your attitude. Put it into your fight right here. Come on, dig, dig, dig. 3, 2, 1, last round. Power round. It's short. It's short. Walk it out. Press it out. Make it fast. Speed round. Walk it back. To the head. Up. Walk it out. Elbows back. Walk it back. Come on. Your arms are burning. Your arms are like sandcastles. They're crumbling underneath you. But dig. Dig, Randy. Dig, Randy. Dig. Ah! Almost there. 3, 2, 1, curls. Last one. Keep breathing. Boom. Boom. Recover. Recovers. 15 seconds. Chest out. Elbows in. Head up. Come on. Dig. 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 Straighten those arms out all the way. 3 more reps. 1, 2. Come on. 3 and done. Woo! Give me a woo. Air 5. Holy crap. That was great. Hey, let's take an elbow and put it against our wall. Okay, go like this. JP, what's happening? Go like this. Elbow, feet and knees wide. Poke your tush out. You should try this in the shower. You put your elbow up against the wall. You poke your tush out. Not inappropriately. Unless you want. I don't care. It's your life. You live your life. But I mean like hot water running over the shoulder as you're leaning into the wall. It starts opening up all that scar tissue that I have. A lot of it. Right there. That's where most of it is for me. Front of my shoulder, anterior delt, rotator cuff issues. Good. Let's switch arms. Ow. My arm got stuck there. Elbow. Tushy out. Knees soft. Real sexy like. As if the cat is not judging you. Poke it out. Jody. I was like, crap. Who's JP? It's Jody. How you doing? I miss your face. Now let's go. Both hands. Stick our kabuti out and drop our chest. Inhale, breathe. Let your chest just kind of sag. Open it up. You can use your chair. Let the head dangle. Kind of rock your head side to side a little. One more. Let's do this. Interlace our fingers. Open up our chest. Slowly drop forward and extend. Hey, food for thought. When you're putting something in your mouth, identify it first. Is it a grain, a fruit, a vegetable, or a protein? And if not, let's try not to eat it. Let's try to do better. So you're like, what are pretzels? I don't know. Let's not eat it. You know what I mean? Let's put something different in. Something that's going to make us feel better. Because food makes us feel good. If we don't eat, we feel like shit. Shoot, stuff, crap, darn. Bad words, my apologies. All right, if you guys are tired, sweaty, feeling awesome, give me 2 claps. That was awesome. Air 5, Randy?
Thanks.
Carla.
Yeah, Paula. Thanks, guys.